Giftory.com, a website that sells experience-based gifts. You know, things like cooking classes, spa days, hotel getaways, adventure activities, and tons of unique outings. Instead of giving someone a physical item, you're gifting them an experience. Sounds fun, right? But the big question is Giftory actually legit? Let's break it down together. So the first thing that stood out to me was their domain information. When we checked the WOS records, we found that Giftory was registered way back in 2012. Yep, it's been around for more than a decade. And honestly, that's usually a good sign. A website doesn't last that long unless it's doing something right. That definitely adds a layer of trust. Next, we looked at their social media presence. And good news, they're active on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. For me, that's always reassuring. If a brand shows up regularly online, interacts with people, and keeps things updated, it feels a lot more genuine. It shows they care about their community and aren't just hiding behind a website. Another positive point is that Giftory even has its own store on Amazon. Now, that's pretty solid. Amazon has strict guidelines, so being listed there adds extra credibility. Plus, if you'd rather buy from Amazon directly, that option makes things even easier. We also checked out who's actually behind the brand. And this part I really liked. Their website openly shows their team members, with photos, names, and positions. We discovered that Eric Lauer is the founder and CEO, and yes, he has a LinkedIn profile too. That level of transparency makes the company feel a lot more trustworthy. Now let's talk about user reviews, because this is where things get interesting. On their website, they showcase some very glowing reviews. And that's expected. They also claim to have a 4.5-star rating with over 1,000 reviews on Trustpilot. So of course, we checked. And surprisingly, it's true. They really do have that rating and review count. Pretty impressive. But then, we went over to Reddit, and the vibe was a little different. Reddit users shared mixed experiences, especially with Giftory's discounted AMC vouchers. Some people said the vouchers worked perfectly. Others said they ran into errors, delays, or trouble getting help from customer service. A few mentioned the issue might be on AMC's end, but others felt Giftory didn't do enough to fix the problem. So overall, it was kind of a mixed bag. Some smooth experiences, some shaky ones. So what's the final verdict? Well, Giftory does show a lot of strong signs of being legitimate. A long-standing domain, active social pages, a verified Amazon store, transparent team info, and great Trustpilot ratings, all good things. But the mixed Reddit experiences remind us that things aren't perfect. Some users do face issues, especially with certain vouchers. So, Giftory seems to be mostly legit, but it's smart to stay a bit cautious. Double-check the details, especially if you're buying something that requires redemption through a third party. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more honest reviews like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.